fuse on the battery in there, and just connect the radio onto the other end there, mate. So we're all done then. But I just want to check the SWR on the PMR mode on the radio, mate, through that little mag mount I've got.
Break, QRZ. Jason in Dundee, double X-ray 02. Good evening to you, sir. 26 Tango Mike 037. Name is Mark, Mike Alpha Romeo Kilo. My pal down there is Steve, Tango Mike 152, where we're both located in Essex. Jason, about 25 miles or north-east-ish of London. Yeah, likewise, Jason. You're the strongest. You're the strongest in tonight. Actually, you're the strongest station in. I thought you was a local, to be perfectly honest with you. But I'm working on the vertical this end, Jason. I keep looking out the window. It's blowing a gale here, mate, and my bloody beam is sort of sitting on the garage, and I'm dying to go and pump it up. But it's too windy. But my pal Steve, he's running the beam, and he's pointing in your direction. Stand by, Jason. His name's Steve, 152. He's going to give you a little shout. Go on, Steve.
Hi there, good evening, Jason. Hopefully you're hearing me. 108 double X-ray 002. Steve, 152. How copy, mate? Yeah, thanks for that, Jason. You're also 59++ to me there, Jason. Big signal. We're using a Yaesu FT767 Golf X-ray transceiver and a bit of audio gear. Behringer microphone, studio microphone into a Behringer mixer. All connected up to the Yagi, 3-element Yagi, probably about I reckon it's about 9 meters high there, Jason. Steve, wonderful, 767, yeah, absolutely fantastic looking radios. I'd like one myself, but they hold their prices, that's what I've seen. But just running an Icon India Charlie 736. The mic is an Adonis Alpha mic 303 volt, just running 50 watts and being kind to the amplifier. I could run 100, but just burn. And the antenna's a Moxon 2-element wire beam, beaming through the roof space, but it's beaming south there, Steve. Okay, I'll put it back to Mark there, so if you just give me your working conditions there, Mark, you sounded just as good as Steve there. So I wonder what you're running there, Mark, over.
Yeah, it's still 59 with me, Jason. Antenna is Stereo Gain Master, and it's also up in my chimney stack, Jason, so it's on a 10-foot pole, so I've got a decent height on it. Plus we're about 200 feet above sea level here. It might not sound too high, but in the southeast part of the Essex it's quite flat, so we're one of the, well, I think we're one of the 4 highest spots in Essex where we are here. But yeah, so the antenna's a Stereo Gain Master. The radio is difficult to explain actually. It's a Superstar 360, but it's in a TAM International Jumbo box. It was made by a guy up in Manchester, so it's a bit of a hybrid, Jason. And the microphone, mate, is very simple. Silver Eagle, static Silver Eagle. I think we're running around about 150 whiskies at the moment, Jason. no, well, it had some QSB on you then, Jason, but you're back up to sort of the needles at the end, actually. You'd be interested in this radio, Jason. I don't know if you're familiar with YouTube or you do look through YouTube. I've got a channel on there, mate. It's 26 Tango Mike, the word Tango Mike 037. And I've just recently put a few videos up of this radio. I've only had it less than a week, Jason, less than a week. It's got the frequency readout in it, etc. Low lows to highs. It's got the UKs in it, obviously, because we're talking on them. But it's not got any problem. It's got a pick in it, so it's fully interchangeable if you want to put it onto 10 metres, etc., etc. But seeing as you're doing one, Jason, I'd like you to have a look at mine, mate, if you wouldn't mind. And perhaps leave a comment, mate, on one of the videos. I think there's 3 or 4 of them up there with the new radio on display, Jason. So it's 26 Tango Mike 037, mate, if you wouldn't mind having a little perusal. Yeah, QSL, Jason. Well, what I'm going to have to do is actually take the top back off of this and film the inside of it, because I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Yeah, the power supply in there is already a 10 amp power supply. The thing is heat synced up to the hilt on the inside. It's done by a guy in Manchester, Dave Zodiac, Dave Zephyr. I don't know if you boys up there have ever heard of him. He's quite a sort of well-known guy that does a lot of conversions, radios, etc., 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 sort of thing. And it's been a mission, this one, as I say. It is so superb inside, Jason, if I don't mind sort of saying so myself, mate. I am going to make a video, because I've had a lot of people asking me about this radio, what is inside, and I will make a video to show the insides, Jason, and everything has been done. It really is unbelievable. It's an unbelievable piece of kit inside. Fully understood, Jason. I'm taking it you're familiar with the other guy, the Irish guy, George, Irish Hand 1127, I think his YouTube channel is. Have you seen the one that he's done? Yeah, basically what he did was take the cases off and shove the radio inside. From the front it looks beautiful, but inside it looks an absolute mess, and he'll be the first to tell you it looks an absolute mess. You know, he's had to cut the back of the jumbo chassis to get the chassis of the old 148 to poke out. But from the front it looks fantastic. But no, I'll tell you, I look forward, Jason, to you making a comment, mate. Subscribe back to your channel and have a look through yours, mate, and see what you got as well, because this radio here, it went to a friend of mine about 18 months ago, and when it went for it, and thought, right, I've got to have that. I've got to have that radio. Before I die, that's got to be mine. And I said to him, Dave, when it comes up, mate, you let me know. You let me know. And he thought about selling it, and I eventually sort of talked him into it, Jason. I was actually sweetened the deal in the end, mate. I gave away one of my Silver Eagle microphones. Well, it wasn't a Silver Eagle, it was my Black Eagle. I said, look, Dave, I'll throw you in this Black Eagle microphone and let me take that radio off your hands, and it worked.
Yeah, 73, Jason, thanks for calling in, and good luck with the old DXM making 73s. Cheers and beers. Yeah, that's alright, mate, no worries, you go in, mate. I'm not one for tinkering with radios. I'll just plug the mics in and away we go, and that's all about all I get involved with there, Jason. But it's nice to hear you guys talking about the more technical side of it. Okay, 73, Jason, thanks for calling.
Cheers, Jason. The pleasure was all mine. We must do it again sometime. Thanks, mate. And thanks a lot. I think there is another station calling in, so the other station, please QRZ.